All right, so now it's just a matter of doing a jumbled mess. All this stuff's got to get hooked up. I would start at one piece at a time. So I tried to get the hardest piece first. What was the hardest one we had to get out? Remember? The one over here. Now you see the CRC stuff? Be liberal with it. Which put something on there. Yeah, spray the damn into this stuff.
Goes back together fairly easily.
Where's the inner pieces? These need to be sprayed. Yep, these. This is the
that
one here. This is the one
that
right here.
Oh my god, that thing was murder.
That's the one that was.
Boy, that Deutsch.
I'm gonna spray every damn thing on here. What's the worst thing that's gonna happen? We'll be lubricated.
Maybe a little luck next time I take it apart. It'll come apart.
Yeah. Maybe it'll come apart. Maybe. Alright, I think we got most of your stuff pretty well lubed up. Okay. Dribble, dribble, dribble everywhere. Okay, well, I know this goes up here, so I'm just going to do these. Bunch of wiring. Okay, what do we got here? Put support out here, it doesn't move, so we'll put on a rolling table and stand on. Perfect. Safe as hell. I don't see that anywhere. Nope, we don't see our, I got CRC quick. Thank you. Did yours get lubed on these, yours on these things over there? Did I get them?
Yeah, we got that.
Good.
Get these little ends before we go in here, maybe.
I already squirted those. That one up inside of here, didn't it?
Yep.
Any idea which way?
I know it goes one way.
Yeah, hope I know the right way, 'cause I don't know.
It's got a little tick on it.
Well, I want to go, so am I doing upside down? Well, looks like it fits that way now. Oh, that's something hot. It's not going yet, though. It's not going. Let me see. Is it on the bottom, maybe? Where's the titty? Yeah, feel up in there. Where's the titty at?
Can't do anything out here.
try something else.
She goes, just want to be the other way.
Want to go the other way? I'd say do it the other way.
Okay.
This was in a trip, no, where's the trip? No, it's way down in there. We need that little rubber boot that's on the shelf over this one.
Down there, looks like these two are probably friends.
Deutsch runner somewhere. This has this one. No, that's not gray. Where's the gray one at? This one? That one. At least it's color matched them. Makes it easier for us. See this anywhere? There it is down here, I can't see.
Right here.
No, that goes, that's a trip, we have to get off for that. Where does this go to? It's in right in there somewhere. There's a gauge up under there, must be. Something for that maybe. No, it's plugged in. There's a, it's not, yeah, it's plugged in already. I did not see what that goes to. It's a single, that'd be this one. Yep. There that goes.
It's obviously supposed to be up there.
That's the red wires.
The monkeys to work on this stuff.
Hey, don't make fun of monkeys now. That's easier.
Okay.
I guess that goes to here.
I think all this stuff's supposed to kind of come up.
That's
this
your
way.
handlebar wire, which goes way over there, right here. This one goes way up there. And maybe go around inside of this one, maybe, pull this one out.
Let's see from underneath I can see. Oh, this is one of those rips. Flat screwdriver. Okay.
Pull this one out.
Just,
I'll get
here. It makes it pretty hard to turn there for sure.
I don't know if that's supposed to go that way. I don't think so. This can go up here, I know that for a fact.
It's probably supposed to come to the outside of this stuff.
Well, you figure what you like.
Just like this. Right.
Have this one here.
Hold on, this.
This one up, mine out of that one.
That, yeah. Once all those people come up there.
Yeah.
This goes here. I guess these two like to talk to each other.
This is plugged in the socket that we hooked it into.
The bottom of the
The radio.
radio right there.
There.
Yeah.
Okay, then we need probably that one right next to it, goes right to it, I bet. What about this one here? Still don't know where that goes.
Looks like This guy probably went here.
Let's have that.
There.
Look at this guy. We got these here. This is heavily. What are these supposed to go to? And what's this supposed to go to?
Oh yeah, there was stuff coming from this. Where's that stuff at?
I need a flashlight to get up in there and see.
We need to get lost in that stuff.
Something got lost. That's the proverbial rat nest up there. You got shit going everywhere. We got up in here someplace. Here we go, right here. Plug laying right here. It's not connected. I ain't gonna reach way over there, but it's not connected. So something's connected to the wrong spot, probably.
No, here's the other side of it.
On the other piece.
Here's that. Yep, this is the one that was a mother.
Oh, that's the last one we gotta do, is the hardest one? Great. That's all connected there. This is the throttle cable.
Lots of fun.
This goes back into that. That's our cruise control. Nothing else hanging on the back side. Alright, let's see. Well, you took out the spotlights. Maybe that's a spotlight hookup.
Oh yeah, maybe. You're right.
This goes back up there.
Unplug them. They're right over there.
And these are turn signals. Is there a violet in here?
Yeah, those are turn signal stuff. These are not going to get plugged in. I popped them off.
Right, okay. I don't know what that one's for.
All...
Okay, so this is probably for the spotlight powering for that. That's not connected. It's not here anymore. That was our hardest one, the last one to get hooked up. Great.
She's in there.
Get the radio here.
Let's just see.
And hook that back up. And the other one is the trip knob, which is this rubber knob over here, rubber nut.
Just got destroyed.
Where's the rubber nut? I got the cap. Where's the actual nut?
There a box somewhere.
Where's the actual nut? This is the cap. Still got this clip over here, I don't know what it's for. That's here, some stuff over by the computer, but I don't remember being a nut over here. No, it's not here. What about in here? There's a little rubber nut. Not plastic. No, it's a nut. Thread's on. Isn't that switch threaded on the back side of it?
Did we screw it onto it? Where's it at?
It's laying in there. Is it on it?
Enough.
It's on it? We put it where we wouldn't lose it? No way.
Funny how that works.
Who would have done that? Trip number.
You want to smoke a cigarette? We got it.
No, we don't know if it works
Right,
though.
we got time for smokes? Or?
We don't know if it works yet. You're getting ahead of yourself.
Feed that guy back up in his hole.
Oh, somebody took my stepping stool. I got a nice secure stepping stool. Okay, where we at? Where's the hole at? It's way over here. Okay. Take a minute.
Just hold in there for a second until I can start twisting them off.
Good luck on that happening. My fingers aren't that long. I can push with a screwdriver maybe. Here's an extension we can push on it with. It's not in the hole anymore. You have to leave it in the hole before I can push on it. Okay, hold the front of it. Don't hold the back, hold the front. Ready? Okay, I think I'm on it. Am I on it?
I think that's about enough. I can get started. Give me a second.
Is that supposed to rotate or something? No, I don't think so. What are you doing over there? You having fun? Does it have to rotate 90 degrees or something to fit in the slot, or?
Just has to tighten up on it. It's pretty tight quarters in there. I need some sort of like
Okay, look again.
maybe needles or something.
You got these stupid screws right here, it'd be a lot easier. Okay, there's no notch for it to go in, I can feel. Oh, that looks like a factory tool there.
Yeah, this is a special Harley Davidson factory.
Why don't you use some better tools than that? I have better tools in my bucket over there for that. To make little channel locks for.
That works.
You got it? They got better tools. See this?
That was way too big. That'd be
And small ones?
super fine to get in there.
You want smaller than that?
We're good. We're installed.
There we go. How about these?
It's okay. I got it already.
Sure.
It's installed.
Tighten them up with this.
It's installed.
Sure.
We're good.
That's what these are for.
There. He's there.
Yeah, there. That's torn. Put super snot, the switch might not ever work again. You have to buy the nut with it on there. They make those.
Yeah.
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 You can buy a switch that already has it on it. That's just a sealed toggle switch. Covers all it is.
Like that's perfect. That's really nice.
You like that? I think you have it.
Factory.
Factory. Super snot. All right. Here's a rat nest on this side of the bike. I don't know what's going on with this shit. Everywhere. All right, we'll be back.